Now, next page we are going to take a look at the 5R110W that has no second or no sixth. We get a gear ratio code, B solenoid, and a B solenoid stuck off. Okay, so we go ahead and pull the valve body down and we change the B solenoid and put it back together, and it doesn't work out. Okay, so they decide to pull the transmission out. Trans is pretty clean on the inside, nothing going on with the overdrive clutches, which is what apply in second and sixth. So they decided to take the pump apart. Okay, now this was also to, again, another reman pump. You know, we think that we buy something that's checked over correctly, everything would be okay with it. But as you can see, for the first part of the show that we talked about the converter valve being backwards on this thing, this is another one of those instances. What happened on this one is that this feed valve, or not feed valve, but this feed filter was actually missing inside the pump. When it goes missing, what happens is the pressure that will apply second and sixth just blows off into the transmission, and we have no pressure to apply the overdrive clutches. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, will it be just okay to plug it? No, it wouldn't be okay to plug it, because what will happen is it will cause too much line pressure or too much pressure on that clutch, and we're going to end up having a late shift or something along those lines. So what we would want to do is we need to either get another filter for this thing, if we can even find one to put it in, or just go ahead and change the pump to one that does have the filter inside there. Okay. Now we are going to finish up with the 5R110W. Okay, on page 26, we get a transmission that comes in with a P1744 TCC clutch out of range. Now there could be a couple reasons why this is happening. Okay, one could be that the lockup feed valve or feed orifice is blocked in the valve body. Okay, that hole right over here, here, and here can get clogged up with debris, either the transmission, something failing inside the transmission, converter clutch going bad, clutches going bad inside the transmission, or the planetary going bad. So when we get a code like this, we need to check that first, okay, just in case. Next thing it could be is the lockup solenoid. Yes, these lockup solenoids, they do fail, they go bad, and can cause a problem with it. So we would just want to make sure that while we have the valve body out, we can go ahead and change it, or we can actually change this solenoid without pulling out the valve body if we want to just go that route first. Other problem that causes this code would be the sealant ring on the pump stator being damaged. Now, could it be damaged when we install the converter? Yes, converter could be bad. That could chew up that ring on there. So there's a couple things that would cause this. Just going over that and checking that ring on the pump stator and the valve and that bleed orifice in the valve body. And again, like I said, can the converter be going bad? Oh, sure, it can go bad all the time. Next thing I want to show you is, we've talked about this in the seminars in the past, is getting this code with when we put the pump together, and what happens is we end up putting the retaining clip for the TCC valve in the wrong spot. Okay, as we can see where the red arrow is we'll put the retaining clip over there, and it causes not enough feed going to the TCC boost valve. Okay, so let's just be mindful of the few things that can cause a P1744 code, and we should be okay.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.